Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on the Xbox app for the PC. This leads to crashing or failing to launch. So what is the cause of this? This is usually a corrupted app cache, outdated gaming services, or conflicts with Windows components. Okay, so what do you do? The first thing you want to try is to reset the Xbox app. So you go into Settings in Windows. You click on Apps on the left-hand side. From here, go to Installed Apps, and from here you want to type in Xbox, and it should come up here. And you'll see three little dots here. Click on Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Reset, and click on this and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is use PowerShell to reinstall gaming services. So under the search bar, type in PowerShell. Right click on this, say Run as Administrator. This is important. This will not work otherwise. You want to type in get appx package gaming services, all one word, with little things behind it, all users.